What was that?
Floating yet?
Dana, we got about 70 yards of gravel behind our boat. But that's alright. We don't need to go anywhere, do we?
Oh yeah, I looked out there. I went outside about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Get out here a little first. There you go. Yeah? Hey, pretty. That's good. I'm taking video. You want your picture taken all the time. That's alright.
I really don't.
How'd you sleep?
I comb my hair.
Smells like death warmed over in here, buddy.
You know what it is?
What's that?
I think there's been a lot of gas going on in here.
You don't expel
Yep.
gas, do you?
Toxic waste.